Another problem we have, grievous problem, is the current relationship between the city government and the Department of Community Affairs in Trenton. They don't want to work with us, they don't like us, they don't trust us, nothing. Joey Torres, when he was mayor during those 8 years, he worked like this with the city of Trenton, those people down there. He can do it. He knows how to do it. He's already done it. And his personality is such that he can work good with anybody. And we have to have a better working relationship with Trenton. And one of the things I know will happen is that when he's elected mayor, hopefully he will be, that he will contact Governor Christie and his people and say, I'm Mayor Torres of Paterson. I'd like to come down and talk to you about our problems. And he will do that. That has to be done because there's like a Grand Canyon in between Paterson's government and the government down in Trenton. We depend on them, unfortunately, for a lot of state aid. I wish we didn't have to, but we do. So Joey Torres can solve that problem. His experience and his background are so broad and so deep in that mayor position that he is the one to step in now and work to get us out of this mess. Because if things go wrong these next 4 years, the state is going to wind up taking us over, as they took over Camden years ago, as they took over the Paterson school system, 22 years ago, and they still haven't turned it back to us. I don't want the state to take over the city. And Joey is the only one that I see among all these good people that has the power and the experience to prevent the state from taking us over. He can work more closely with those state people than anybody else that I see around because that's his nature. He works well with people.